It's hatch chili season and I'm ready to stuff some peppers. You're going to take your peppers, toss them in a little bit of olive oil and kosher salt in a skillet and put them under the broiler on the lower rack and let them char. In the meantime, let's make the stuffing. You're going to use 1 cup of cheddar jack shredded cheese, 1 cup of your favorite refried beans, and a heaping cup of bar S chorizo crumbles. Mix that into a stuffing, just like this. Once the peppers are done and cool enough to handle, peel off that skin. Then take the pepper, cut a slit in it, and remove the seeds with a paper towel and fill it high with that stuffing. I want you to look how delicious that already looks. Pack them in the same pan that you roasted your peppers in. Put them in an oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Pull them out, top with your favorite salsa and some more of that cheese. Back into the oven for about 10 minutes. Now they are ready. I've topped mine with a little bit of sour cream and some avocado. Y'all, these were some of the most delicious peppers I have ever made, and it was all made easier by using bar S chorizo crumbles.